Hi everyone. So we already discussed about the project in our class, but I didn't have the time to guide you through every item of the issue. So I'm providing you with a video and I'm explaining every item so that we have it all clear. And if you have any questions, please bring them to the next class that we have, to the next session, and we're gonna discuss them with the whole class. So number one, you're going to access a link on Forbes, which is going to give you some information on the issue on crowdfunding. So you're going to read about what these companies do, what the industry is about, and as to get some information on what you're going to be working on. Then we're going to move on to item number two. Check the list of suggested sites. So at the bottom of it, you're going to see some websites at the bottom of the link, though. You're going to see some websites here for you to check. You're going to have to access any one of them and explore them. Analyze the information contained in the project. Well, here it is suggested that you explore 3 of them. Number 3, choose a project you find interesting from one of these websites and get all the information about the venture. What you have to get is the project, the goal, the number of supporters, the stage of the project, and the time. Summarize this information in any Web 3.0 tool. Again, creativity is a must. So do something different. You can use some of the suggested tools that I'm saying, or you can even do it on Google Docs. There are some different add-ons that allow you to do that, or Prezi, or anyone that that is not the common tool, like let's say Word, for example. Number 5, you're gonna gather into groups. I'm thinking of giving you a free chance to group up however you guys want, and it shouldn't be of any more than 3 people, and discuss with your classmates how these crowdfunding websites work, funding process, requirements, estimated times and conditions. With your group, think about a project that you would like to publish in one of these websites, considering all the aspects from the examples you found. So this is the actual project for you guys. So this is where you're going to become active on this project. You're going to have to generate, you're going to have to create your own, and you're going to have to complete or to have these items in your project. Well, the project itself, what is the goal, what is the required investment, time, target, people involved in the project, risks and challenges, all the relevant details. 7, you will meet a group of potential investors, so you must convince, this is going to be sort of a role play, and you would have to convince them, to pledge to give you a huge investment in 5 minutes. So you're going to start with a little pitch about your project. That was something similar to what we did, but take it more seriously, I would say. And you're going to try to convince us, a group of potential investors, on your project. All right. So if you're not so sure of what to do, or if you're having problems with your speech, here I am adding a link that you're going to have a look to, and then just go through the video, which is going to be giving you different tips on how to improve your speech, how to get it stronger. And that is it. This activity was designed by one of the professors at the university 2 years ago, and I think it's a very good idea. I think it's a very it's an attractive idea for you to strengthen your speaking abilities. And also, some of you provided me with answers that, telling me that you don't want to follow the educational field, the teaching field. So I'm giving you here a choice. Probably thinking about something else you guys could do, or if you can do something different in regards of the teaching field, like creating your own company, like creating a company online that can provide I don't know, any ideas. There is when your creativity takes place too. This is going to be the rubric for your project, and I think that is pretty much everything I needed to say. So good luck on the project, and we'll discuss it again, some minor details on the actual class. Have a nice weekend.